how you can make your first $500 to $2,000 in a day with TikTok affiliate marketing or TikTok shop. Now in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I'm making this happen. As you can see over here, in the last 7 days, with not only organic, meaning free traffic, but also paid advertisement with paid TikTok ads, as you can see over here, I had 2.4 million video views, 20,000 profile views, and as you can see, 241,000 likes with 20,000 comments. Now why this is important going to 2024 and going to 2025 is because engagement campaigns matter. You can see most of the marketers, they're talking about conversion campaigns, right? Meaning getting sales, getting conversions, which is okay. But here we are talking about engagement, which is really important. Why? Because if you look at it from this perspective, right? We have audience, we have people, we have eyeballs, right? There are people. Do you think that if those people over here, you see 20,000 comments in 7 days, if they left, let's say 20,000 comments in 7 days, that we are going to have better results? Correct. True, right? Let's say that we have over here in 28 days, 3.5 million video views and 31,000 comments, which means people are leaving positive comments. They are most likely to buy the product. If I'm leaving comments that are positive about something I like, of course that I'm going to more likely to buy that product, right? For example, diabetes, dental implants, teeth whitening, woodworking, solar panel, so many different niches like dating, weight loss, where you could make a lot of money as a newbie, as a beginner, if you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way. So as you watch this video right now, what I want to do is, like, you can connect with me over here, on my Instagram, over here, connect with me, follow me, ask me any questions, you can DM me, but only if you're serious, okay? You have at least $500 to $5,000 or more to invest in yourself to get really, really great results, all right? So you can connect with me over here. Now, I'm not showing you this to boast or brag, but to impress upon you what is possible when you take ClickBank affiliate marketing or TikTok affiliate marketing really seriously. What kind of lifestyle results you can achieve. Not only dream about, but achieve the life that you desire for your family if you take this really, really seriously, okay? So you can connect with me over here after watching this video, so you can see we are getting things done together, one-on-one, over the Zoom calls together. So I'm giving you ad campaign, I'm giving you the product to promote on TikTok, I'm giving you the website and funnel that are going to help you to succeed, okay? So what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one, subscribe to my YouTube channel, links are in the description, my WhatsApp number, email, Instagram, and Messenger. You can connect with me after watching, okay? See you in the next one.